All right, what we have here is a piece of basically 1.1 by 3-inch piece of brass, and it's a hexagon. And we got some round copper wire, and what I'm going to do is drill a hole through this thing, through the brass, and have this thing cut off. And what I'm wanting is to take one of these little brass nails, and I'm going to put it in there like so. And that's going to be a little scratch off. I'm going to drill its 1/4 hole, tap that, and that'll go down where I can tighten it up on this part. And then I can move it, and like it'll give me, say if I'm trying to split a knife, I'll have something narrower enough I can put the die on it and then score it and be able to see it. And it'll be pretty cool, I think. And it's brass and copper, so can't go wrong. All right, just gonna flatten the bottom of this thing. just kind of want to make that bottom flat. I'll sand that off and clean it. I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my 1/4 20 hole. That way I can get my threads and stuff in there. And I still have to do the hole this way. Kind of debating on what to do with the copper. I want it, I kind of want it flat. That way, I want it flat. That way it's not going to roll your pin. Like once it goes through here, I'm going to have something flat. But at the same rate, I don't really want to cut a half moon through this. I can, but it's going to be pretty tricky if I do. And I'm just going to make it way more complicated. I think if I just do flat spot on it, I think the screw, as long as it's flat, it should straighten everything out. If it don't, I'll make another one. Alright, what I've done is what this thing's for is when you're using this, the blue steel. So you have your little marker. Like say if you want a 1/4 inch, you can set this for a 1/4 inch. Let's tighten it down. And you can just score it. Leave you a nice mark. So that's what that thing's for. And it's pretty handy. Not too bad. Let's see what our maximum. Come out to about 1.5 inches. So not too bad.